Good morning everyone, you join us on a very cold and windy morning. As you can see, my hair is not the best. That is a Celtic tuned C43 AMG, so it's a little bit fast. We're waiting for a few other cars. I don't really know what this video is going to be about. Maybe we'll take a few of them for a drive. I have no idea. So let's see, we're pretty much just going to have some fun. Hopefully we won't be cold the whole day. And let's see what happens. You know it's cold.
What? Did you hear me?
Patel, how's the C43?
Insane. This thing is mad. The launch. Frick. Let me warm this.
So let's get some B-roll first of all, and then we'll see what happens after that.
Don't have to wait, you know my name. Sunshine and rain, some things don't change. Thinking about the days we were young, girl. Innocent in our ways, we were done, girl. Nothing really mattered, I could always count on you. Your touch will leave me breathless, so let me give it back to you.
So, hello everyone, you join us in a warm car. Isn't it warm now? So much better.
Very warm.
Outside is freaking cold and windy. So, we're driving the C43 AMG. As you heard, not a stock one, Celtic tuned by the man himself. So, this is the first time I'm driving a 43 four-wheel drive car. And oh, that sound is amazing.
V6 is the best.
Yeah, as you said, this is a V6 Mercedes engine, 3-liter bi-turbo.
Yeah.
Are they twin scroll turbos or normal ones?
No, separate.
Separate.
Yeah, separate.
So they make some decent power. Now we're just cruising. That's enough speeding. Not speeding, we're going like what, 105, 106?
Yeah.
So these cars stock make 270 kilowatts,
Correct.
510 Newton meters.
Correct.
But this one is a little bit different. Celtic tuned, you said it makes about 320 kilowatts.
Yeah, it's making about 320, about 280, 290 on the wheels. In terms of Newton meters, it should be peaking about 600 Newton meters.
600.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's okay for a start.
It's nice for a quarter mile drag car.
And four-wheel drive.
And it's four-wheel drive.
So you've got traction and everything.
Yeah.
So this is the first time I'm driving this car with the 9-speed, and it feels pretty quick. What do you think of the gearbox? I think it moves pretty well.
Compared to the CLA, that was not 9-speed, no?
That was a 7-speed DCT.
Oh, okay.
That gearbox at lower speeds was horrendous. It was
Is it?
so jerky, and like if you were on a hill and you let off, you had to press like up to 3,000 revs, and then it would roll and go. This feels like a normal automatic, which is much
Is
better.
it?
That gearbox, like at higher speeds it was nice when you're changing it, changed quite nicely, but at lower speeds that gearbox was a no-no. How you feel about this one, like after driving it for quite a while?
Yeah, previously I had an M240i and
That is ZF
I
8 speed.
prefer, yeah, that's an 8-speed. It's a
Yeah.
ZF gearbox,
Yeah.
single clutch, but it's way better than this.
Yeah.
Because there's also overtaking in that you have to, the response time on it also is a bit
A little bit
delayed.
slower.
Yeah, it's much slower. The PM is like always ready to move.
To move.
Yeah.
Driving a Merc, but you like a PM.
Let me put it in. Get it past the kickdown.
Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, okay. It took a little bit of a second there. But then once it gets going,
Yeah, then it's going.
then it's quick. Oh, that was like 100 111, 112.
What, miles?
No, not miles. No. As you can hear, this car sounds very nice.
No, it sounds amazing.
But it's stock, right?
Yeah, it's
that's like my catchphrase now. It's stock. So what exhaust have you done on this car?
downpipes were done by Ace Performance in Durban. I've always sent my cars to him.
Yeah, does a good job.
Nah, he does a good job. His work is good. His prices are very good also as well. And yeah, he's been doing it quite a while with him.
Yeah, and these are decatted also.
Yeah, these are decatted. Not really needed to do an exhaust. Reason being, this one comes with an AMG sports exhaust on it.
Yeah, so you press the button and the flaps open also.
Press the button and she screams.
She screams.
Yeah.
We'll get some other footage of this exhaust just in a minute and play it now. You said the ride in this car is very hard compared to your previous M240i.
Very, very, very hard. To me, from my perspective, coming from BM and driven Audis, I feel Merc now is it's a bit hard. I thought this would be not as harsh as C63, but it's more or less on the same
Level, yeah.
type of level, you know.
You were telling me that and I was like, it can't be that hard, but it is quite hard.
It is right
is
now.
quite
It's not
hard.
even on full sport
Yeah,
plus.
it
but
feels a bit choppy.
yeah.
Yeah.
On your normal bumps, it's okay. On the
Yeah.
sharp bumps, it hits quite hard.
Yeah.
On the BMs, you fly.
Yeah,
No issues, you
it
know?
absorbs it a bit better.
Yeah.
Like, but I gotta say, this car is better than the CLA. That CLA I had, the ride, it was about 60% harder than this.
Okay.
Because that car had 35 size wheels, so they were really low profiles.
Yeah.
And the suspension, it didn't have adaptive suspension because it was the older spec. You couldn't option it, so
once,
you just die basically.
Oh,
Yeah.
and you sold that car.
I sold that car.
I went back to BM.
We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Maybe I should just buy a Corolla.
Advice to the people out there, from my experience, in my opinion, stick to BM and stick to Audi.
I don't like Audi.
Drive the new RS3.
Okay, yeah, I like the RS3.
facelift.
I haven't driven one yet though.
One of my customers in Newcastle, we did a tune on his car. He doesn't even have downpipe. And when we do a launch, all four wheels spin off the
Yeah.
line.
See, goodness. But those things are bonkers, I hear.
Ah, they're
So
crazy,
mad.
crazy. Even the ride on those cars, it's not as harsh as these cars.
Yeah.
It's a good balance, like a BM. It's not too hard and it's not too soft. It's a good balance.
And those are S-tronic, so double clutch also, and those are fantastic gearboxes.
what a
Those
gearbox.
gearboxes are really good.
Gorgeous.
So that was pretty much me driving a C43 for the first time and a Celtic Tuning. Thanks so much for letting me drive it and featuring on the channel.
Anytime.
Oh yes, before we sign off with this car,
Yeah.
you gotta show me how to launch it.
Yeah, just to give everything is really
Nice and
great.
warm. Let's do it. Okay.
Okay, for the guys who don't know who have C43s, I'm sure you guys don't know how to launch it. I found out by mistake when I was racing somebody, and it just activates like that.
Well, this is gonna be fun.
Ah, you'll feel it.
But I'm not a big fan of launch control, as you know, because I mean, you know, it's not fun. I don't.
It's
It's
just
not
gonna
that
be fun. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay.
So what you're gonna do on this one, foot hard and very hard on the brake, the normal procedure.
Yep.
But when you deplete your accelerator,
Mhm.
pass the button, the kick down button.
Okay.
Let let the turbo boost build up to about 3/4 on these lines,
Okay.
and you should hear the turbo spooling up.
Mhm.
And so you build it up. I'll tell you when to release.
Sounds good. You said we should just open the window a
Open
little
it
bit.
so you can hear it.
Okay. You tell me when.
You ready? You go for it. Let go.
Oh, that launched really nicely. All four wheels were spinning also. Oh, that was quick. There we go. And and I mean that was 117 kilometers an hour
In no time.
in like no time at all. All right, so that was the C43. Let's see what else today has in store. This Celtic Tune C43 AMG, and it's gonna go up against that stock standard F82 M4. My hair is just, it's windy, okay. They're probably gonna do rolling starts as well. That Celtic Tuned, it makes me about 10% more power than a stock C43, and the M4 is stock. On rolling start, I don't know what will happen. Off the line, this four-wheel drive, so it'll take it. So let's do a rolling with those two and see what happens. So they just finished racing, and on rolling, the M4 took it just by a bit. Even though it's tuned and everything, you can't play with the M4 on higher speed. So that's it. M4 takes it on rolling.